Hi folks, my name is Rick from Rick's Review. I'm going to install two outlets today, one outside underneath my E, one inside my garage, and I'm also going to install a switch to control the outlet that goes outside to my Christmas lights. The two underneath the E. One I installed the other day, sun was going down, I didn't have time to film it, but I'm going to daisy chain off of that one and install the second outlet. I'm going to show you what I'm going to install, and then we're going to head on out to the garage. Okay folks. Now that I've got all my parts, got from the store, purchased everything I need, cost me around $60. I've got the plugs, and I've got the Romex. I'm going to go ahead and get everything started. This is what I'm going to be putting out there for the plug that's going to be daisy chained to the other outlet I've already done. This is what I'm going to be putting in here. This is going to be the plug for the light in my garage. And then of course right over here is going to be the switch that I'm going to put in the garage. Okay, here's my outlet that I'm going to put in. White's going to be neutral, black's going to be high, red is actually the one running to that switch, and then I have a uncoated copper right here that I cut a little short. I'm going to go ahead and peel this back and reveal this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the red and the white to the switch, making this an on-off switch that can be controlled from down there. I'm going to run the black over to another outlet I'm putting on the side here that's going to run my garage door opener. Stay with me. Okay folks, things turned out really good. They turned out a little bit better than I was expecting. I have two switches in my garage now. I have one switch for the inside lights inside my garage. I have the other switch, the one that I installed, for the outside lights, whether it be Christmas lights, a security light, Halloween lights, or just party lights. It's going to be controlled from inside my garage. The only thing that I want to do now is I have a third outlet outside in the front of the house, which is controlled by a timer that comes on at dusk. I want to be able to control that with the light switch on the inside of my garage, so I have a little bit more control. If I want to put a security light out there or a lamp post, light, whatever I want, I can control that from inside the house as well. So this is the only thing I want to do. But as always, if you like my videos, if you find the content pretty good, then click subscribe, click that little thumbs up button, and click that bell to be notified of any future videos that I make. Until I see you next time, remember, if you can save a few bucks and do it yourself.